So let's read our problem. So two positive integers have a greatest common divisor of 1. So that means that they're relatively prime. They have no shared factor. The least common multiple is 57. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So if we think about 57, the prime factorization is 3 and 19. And so the ways to make 57 are 1 paired up with 57, or 3 paired up with 19. That's the only two ways to make it. Okay? And so you could use either of these two pairs, and they both have the same least common multiple. And so what are the two possible values? So the two possible values for the large ones, 19 or 57.